everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Festivals are back and I have my first one coming up this week, so I decided that we're going to be making some perlers. And these are some old ones that I made before, but we're going to be making a lot more. So let's get started with the first one. So here I'm just using my cell phone to go on Pinterest, and I like to type in pixel art, or you could just type in perlers of whatever you're looking for. And I want to do the Akatsuki clouds, so this is what I have right now. And from here, sometimes I just count. So for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So then if you get your little plate here, you would just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's where you would start and keep going. Something else I do is I just zoom in, and then I just put this on top. And sometimes you have to go back and adjust a little bit, just so each of these little pegs could meet one of these squares. So you should have something like this, and from here you can see the pegs are aligning a lot better with each grid. So you could just have your phone and then put each individual thing. Just do whichever method works better for you. So I usually lose count if I try to count, so I just like to have my phone like this. And I think the easiest thing is to just start with the white outline, then you could just fill in the red. I bought these a couple years ago from Amazon, and I'll have a link down in the description if you guys want to get this exact box. And it came with tweezers and a whole bunch of other plates, so it was pretty much worth it. There's also these little chains if I choose to make little keychains or something. And also some small plates. You're going to use black for a lot of your projects, so I bought a giant bag. So once we're ready, we're just going to start with our color white. So I have done the bottom here. And I'm just going to move the picture over and also move my plate over, and I'm going to continue up. Okay, once again we're just going to move the picture over again. Okay, so this looks about right, and now we just need to fill in the inside. So now we're just gonna go ahead and fill it in with red. So here I have finished, but it looks kind of empty, so I'm gonna add a black outline on the outside. This looks a lot better. Just make sure that you're happy with your design before you iron it. So I'm sorry, I don't think my camera was recording, but here I'm just ironing, and my iron's set to medium heat, and then this is just an old iron, so anything works. And we're just ironing right on top, and this is wax paper. It also came in the kit. So you could see the colors start to turn darker, and just whenever you're happy with how it looks on this side is when you can stop ironing. It takes about just like 30 seconds to a minute. But this looks good to me. And to peel it, just be really careful. It's a little warm still, so just make sure it doesn't cool down all the way, and peel it slowly. And here we go. Now if you want to take it out of the tray, and we have our little perler. So you could put it on a keychain if you want, or you can make a bead necklace for it. It's up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And just thank you so much.